Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a PR unboxing video for you today. Everything that I'll be unboxing today is from Influenster. If you are interested in knowing more about Influenster or signing up for Influencer, please use my invite down below or my invite code down below, and we can be friends and connect on Influencer. And you can be just like me and receive all these free gifts and more. Okay, first off, I want to start with this Tom Ford box. Bougie, I know. It came in this beautiful Tom Ford paper here, which I like to keep and reuse it. But the first thing that I got is this Tom Ford eye defining pen. Now, I am wearing it today. And let me tell you, this is my holy grail. I am going to buy this from here out. I love it. Love it. It is double-ended. Look at that. It's the same color on both ends. One end is just smaller than the other. The next package that I got here is from YSL. This is a bronzer. This is All Hours Hyper Bronzer. And I have worn this. I'm not wearing it today, but here's the packaging. Very luxurious, very beautiful. And I really love this formula. It is amazing. I may would go with a different color for myself, but I will continue to use this and love it. Okay, the next product I got here is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Niacinamide Skin Tint. Now, this one is not in my shade, so I will be gifting this to someone. But I have used this brand before, and I absolutely love it. So, thank you, Wet n Wild, for this. Another Wet n Wild product. This is the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer Stick. Here's what it looks like. I have been using this as well, and I really like it. It is really easy to use. So thanks again, Wet n Wild. And another product from Wet n Wild is this Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner. Here it is. This is what it looks like, and I have used this once. I'm not a huge fan of lip liners, but I really love this pink. You can also wear it in your waterline as well. Okay, moving on from the Wet n Wild, I did get a package from Influencer and e.l.f. I did get three full-size products from e.l.f. First off, we got this Blemish Breakthrough Triple Acid Resurfacing Serum. And these are all full-size products too, you guys. I got the Blemish Breakthrough Acne Clarifying Cleanser. And the Blemish Breakthrough Stick It to Zits Pimple Patches. So thank you, e.l.f. and Influencer, for that. And another skincare product. I'll be gifting this to someone as well. This is the Dr. Jart Brightening Serum. It's actually a serum in there, but I don't want to open it up That's just what it looks like because I want to be gifting this to someone. So thank you, Dr. Jart and Influenster. The next thing that I got here is this Voltron arthritis pain reliever. So this box did come with the joint comfort and movement. These are the vitamin supplements or the supplements. And I did get the Voltron, I don't know how you say that, but the arthritis pain cream as well. So thank you guys so much for that. Last but not least, I did get these pair of shoes here, and this is Sam Eldamon. You can read it right there. These are the Gladiator shoes. Did come beautifully wrapped. Look at this. It comes in their own duster, but here is the shoes. These are really expensive shoes. You guys, like $140 for these shoes. So they're really nice, really cute, and great quality. Another product that I recently received is this right here. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is what it is. And I've been using this every day for a couple of weeks, and I love it. You guys, if you are interested in Influenster, like I said, use my link below. Use my friend code. Sign up through me. You guys can start receiving these amazing free products just like me. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Bye.